outside cutting down bushes, and we see snake skin. He has taken off his coating around our garage. So hopefully we don't see him, because I don't got time for that. Yeah, I don't got time for that. A better view of it. This is half of it. Ooh, some of it's still on the vine.